You're running a home service business. You're juggling a million things at once. Scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and of course talking to customers. You've got HouseCall Pro for the first part, but what about those calls? Is there a way to streamline that too? That's where RingCentral comes in. But does it actually work with HouseCall Pro? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Imagine this. A customer calls about a clogged drain. You pick up, get the details, schedule the appointment, and send a technician. Easy, right? Well, what if you could do all that without switching between different software? What if the customer's information was right there when you answered the phone? And what if you could schedule the appointment directly from the call? That's the dream, isn't it? So, does RingCentral and HouseCall Pro make this dream a reality? The short answer is, kind of. Here's the deal. RingCentral and HouseCall Pro aren't BFFs. They don't hold hands and sing Kumbaya. But they can work together thanks to some helpful third-party tools. Zapier is probably the most popular option. It's like a magical connector that can link up different apps and automate tasks. With Zapier, you can set up a workflow that pulls customer information from HouseCall Pro into RingCentral when a call comes in. You can even create new contacts or update existing ones. But wait, there's more. Zapier can also do things like creating new jobs in HouseCall Pro when a call comes in or updating job status based on call outcomes. It's like having a personal assistant that handles all the busy work. Now, this isn't a full-blown integration. You won't be able to click a button and magically sync everything. There's still some manual work involved. But if you're someone who hates switching between tabs and apps, Zapier can be a game changer. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is it worth it? Well, that depends on your business. If you're a small operation with a handful of calls a day, the manual process might be okay. But if you're dealing with a high volume of calls and technicians, the time savings from automation could be significant. You'll also need to consider the cost. Zapier has a free plan, but it has limitations. If you want to take full advantage of the integration, you'll probably need to upgrade to a paid plan. So, to recap, RingCentral and HouseCall Pro don't play nice together out of the box, but Zapier can help bridge the gap. It's not a perfect solution, but it can definitely improve your efficiency. Whether or not it's worth the investment is up to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.